Okay, welcome everyone. Let's take a look at question 3 in our module, which is asking us to fix the error that came up in the previous code cell that we ran in the previous video. So we were working with the vapply function, and this works similar to the lapply and sapply functions, except with vapply, we need to specify the function value. And so we had a list that we called L2 over here. That was the first element was a vector of doubles, of decimals. And then we had a second element that was another vector of decimal values. And we wanted to apply the max function to each element of that list. And what we got are decimal values. And then we asked R to store the results as an integer, and we got this error that said that's not possible. The results are double. You're telling me to store them as an integer. That's impossible. So we want to fix the problem. And the easiest way, I think, to fix this problem is to just change the data type that we want to store it as. So rather than store it as an integer, we're going to go ahead and store it as a double, and then we'll avoid this issue. So I'm just going to put a double over here and run the same command, and now it had no issues storing each of the results as a decimal value, and the output that it created was an array, a one-dimensional array. We just have this matrix of two values. But we've taken a look at several apply functions, apply, lapply, sapply, and vapply. And usually we're not just going to run one of these apply commands, but it's going to fit into a bigger plan, a larger script that we're writing. And having output that we are not certain of the data structure is not ideal. And so what we'll see in the next examples that we take a look at is that the lapply function is really the preferred function out of these, because we know exactly what to expect from the output. At least the structure of the output is going to be a list. And then if you don't want a list, you can take that list and reformat it into another data structure if you like.